Between 2020 and 2021, I started a business twice, which failed because I failed to do the things I'll be sharing with you today if you stick to the end of this video. Well, if you don't want to start a business but learn a skill, I'll link a video right here showing you 8 high income skills you can make money from. So you've got a brilliant business idea. That's awesome. Congratulations. But before you jump in head first, let's talk about some crucial steps to take. This will help you avoid some common pitfalls and set yourself up for success. Step number 1, do your homework. First things first, you need to do your research. You need to really know if this idea can make you money in the long run. Now ask yourself a few questions. Is there a need for my product or service? Who are my potential customers and who are my competitors? Look at the market trends and read industry reports about it, and also check out some similar businesses and what they are doing. This homework might not be the most exciting part, but trust me, this is super important. Step number 2 is to talk to people in the business. Next, find people who are already doing what you want to do. Reach out to people and ask if they will be willing to chat. You'll be surprised how many people are happy to share their experiences. Not everybody, but some people. Some questions you might ask are, what are the challenges did they face when starting out? And what do you wish you'd known before you began? What's the best part of running this type of business? These are the questions you should ask people. Now, these chats will give you valuable insight and maybe even new ideas. Now, step number 3, assess the risk, because every business has its risk. Your job is to figure out what they are for your specific idea. Some things to consider might be how much money you could make or lose if things do not work out. Are there legal issues you need to be aware of? And how stable is the industry you are entering? Now, understanding the risk might help you prepare for them. And it's like you wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but you are glad it's there, really. Step number 4 is create a visual plan. Now for the fun part, I really love this part. So grab a whiteboard or a big paper and let's plan your business, because all the ideas cannot be in your head. Let's draw out your business plan. Now, first of all, start with a timeline. Mark important milestones like when you will launch this business or service and when you expect to break even. What's your future plan and expansions? Then draw a flowchart like showing the business, how it's going to operate, like customers, how to get the customers, the product service process, and how you are going to handle the payment. These are really important to jot down, and this visual plan will help you see the big picture and spot anything that you may have maybe overlooked. Now, step number 5 is to create a business plan. Now, having a visual plan or visual representation isn't a business plan. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of this thing. Your business plan is like a roadmap of your company. It really shows the budget. That's number 1. How much money do you need to start and where will it come from? And the beginning stage, what are your immediate goals and what resources do you need at that point? And then the growth plan, how will you expand and what milestones do you want to hit? Remember, your business plan isn't really a rigid something. It's okay to adjust it to learn and grow, and you are gonna be fine. And there you have it. These skills will help you to start your business on solid ground. Remember, do thorough research, talk to people in the industry, understand the risk, create a visual plan, write a clear business plan, because starting a business is a big adventure. But with careful planning, you are gonna set yourself up for huge success. Now, go out there and make your business dreams a reality. And I'm gonna propose this to you. If you are starting a business or you want to start a business, let me know. You can send me an email to help you to map out this for free. Actually, yes, I'm gonna do it for free. Let me know. Write an email, let me know the business idea, and I'm gonna guide you through in the planning stage and everything else that you need to start your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. Tell me what plans are you trying to build and all that, and send me an email. To see you in the next video. I can't wait to see you. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.